Welcome back to Appgeeker channel. Today we're going to be addressing a problem of if your iPhone X stuck on Apple logo. When the iPhone X's storage is full or while it's charging, or you transfer data from a previous device or restore from a backup, the device could sometimes go black and show the Apple logo every minute. Regardless of your situations, there's going to be several troubleshooting methods to get you out of the logo screen. When your phone gets stuck with Apple logo, you don't just go right for the logic board and hardware repair, and the easiest and the first repair is to force iPhone X to restart. Alright, let's do this. Press and quickly release volume up button. Do the same for the volume down button, then press and hold the side button for around 20 seconds until Apple logo reappears to let the device boot up. You should see the screen turn black, Apple logo appears, and then boot into the home screen. If at that point your phone won't turn on and is stuck on the Apple logo, then we're going to reinstall iOS. The iOS could be corrupted in the process of update, data transfer, or restore. So connect your iPhone to computer and put it into recovery mode. Simply force restart it again. Press volume up button and volume down button, then keep holding the side button until the recovery mode screen appears, which displays as a laptop icon. Now open iTunes on your computer. When getting the update or restore option, choose update. This will install the latest version of iOS on the device without losing data. Wait for iTunes, download the firmware, extract the software, and update your device. When the process is done, the Apple logo loop should be fixed and your iPhone X will be back into working order. If this still doesn't work or your device won't connect to iTunes when it's stuck, you may need to use iOS system recovery software, which can fix various iPhone issues like the iPhone X stuck or flashing with Apple logo. Go to appgeeker.com and click download now button, and I'll also leave the download link in the description below. Launch iOS system recovery tool on your computer. Click more tools at the bottom left corner, then choose iOS system recovery tab. The next screen displays a list of iOS issues that the software can deal with. Go ahead and click Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. If the software cannot recognize your device for it being stuck on Apple logo, you should be asked to enter recovery mode. The on-screen instructions will guide you through the process. Your iPhone X should now be connected to the computer. Next, choose Standard Mode and click Confirm button. Check your device information and click the Fix button. Now, go ahead to choose the most current firmware and download it for your device. The process will take several minutes to complete. Once done, the software begins repairing the glitches of iPhone X and gets it up and running again with the latest iOS installed. There are also basic checks that has been reported a success by some users. So the method 4 is to inspect the power button. There could be dust, debris, and lint jamming into the button that might block it. You can use a soft cloth to clean around the button. After that, repeat method 1 to force restart iPhone X to see if the Apple logo stops flashing on the iPhone X screen. Let's come to method 5. Snap the loose components back into place, like the battery or the LCD display connector. If you're, for whatever reason, getting an Apple logo loop, you could try this quick fix. Press some pressure on phone all the way from front to the back might stop the Apple logo from blinking and get the phone come to life again. Finally, to make sure the problem does not happen again, you'd better do a force restart again to eliminate any potential errors on the phone. So here are fixes when you're having issue with Apple logo not budging from the screen of iPhone X. Hope you would try those techniques for perhaps 2, 3, 4 or more times until the Apple logo disappears and your device boots up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Make sure to subscribe to Appgeeker channel, as I'll share you with more useful and interesting tips. Of course, feel free to leave any question in the comments section below. See you soon in the